Alright, the address here is 4097 Waterfall. We are doing a sewer inspection for the purchase of the property. We started from the roof vent, made our way out to the city main, so now we're recording on the way back. We are in 6-inch clay, in operable condition, and then we'll transition to 4-inch cast iron. No damage. We do have some buildup in the cast iron portion. So my only recommendation is going to be to cable the cast iron portion. Right there is your cast iron. You can see scale buildup. It's not causing any backups, but just as maintenance, it should be done. I'd say within 6 to 12 months, just get the cast iron cable. Alright, we started from the roof here, and that completes the inspection.